to one of those boats that you can't really see from here. Whirlpool jet boat. Are you excited?
Don't waste your camera battery.
We are orientation. You're allowed to take GoPros at your own risk. So I would recommend, if you do come here, bring a strap. When you get the address to this place, it's going to take you to a floral park. We called just to make sure that was the right place. It is. They have limited parking here. So they will shuttle you here, and then they have lockers. They recommend wearing shoes with straps, or you can purchase water shoes or rent them for $4.95. But she is taking a risk, and I got the trusty old Crocs, so I ain't got to worry about it. We're loading on the boat. Are you scared?
No.
So the first 4 rows are the power rows, so you feel it the most, you get wet the most. We're in the 3rd row. We need to get some good footage for you guys.
We're gonna go to, we're gonna call you guys my oh my gosh section. You guys have the most reaction time to the water. I got just enough time to say oh my gosh before that water comes into you guys too. So no matter where you're sitting here today, guys, you are gonna be getting absolutely drenched on this boat before we get off of it. Alright guys, coming up to the top of our river here, we're passing underneath our Queen St. Louis Bridge. Now this is just one of 4 bridges we have here connecting the Canadian side right across the American side. And the height of this bridge is actually about 330 feet, and about double the size of Niagara Falls all in one spot there. Now here we are going to be passing 3 different power plants on our trip here today, guys. So we can take a look up to the right. You can notice our first Canadian power plant come out. Now this is our Sir Adam Beck power plant. Now this was made in the 1920s, so it's actually the oldest of all 3 power plants we're going to be seeing on our trip here today. However, it does actually look the newest. It's had a couple renovations since the 1920s. This is only 1/3 of the power plant we're seeing here, guys. The other 2/3 are going to be underneath the water or on the other side. So this thing is absolutely massive. It pumps power all the way to Atlanta, Georgia, and it powers 3/4 of New York City. So it is absolutely massive. Alright guys, we are going to be getting ready for our first trick of the day here in just 1 second. So I'm going to get everybody to put one finger in the air like this. And let's start spinning them around in those circles. Beautiful. Let's give a nice big round of applause for our captain in the back, guys. Alright, so that was just our first Hamilton turn of the day here today, guys. We will be doing a couple more of those throughout our trip here today. But this is the point of the trip. I am leaving you guys. You are on your own. I'm sorry. Now, for those of you guys that don't know anything about rapids, they are classified from class 1 all the way up to class 6. Alright, guys. Take a look out to your left here. Welcome to our class 5 double pole rapid. Alright, this is going to be our whitewater playground for the day today, guys. Are we excited? Alright, so before we head in here, we are going to go over a little bit of safety. So take off those sunglasses, glasses, hats, anything you brought with you on your trip today, toss them into those pouches right in. Alright guys, going in 3, 2, 1.
In the face!
There's whitewater safety positions. You guys are doing awesome.
Yeah, watch your shoes.
Well, no, forward, guys, you're doing a great job. Alright guys, we are going to call this right here the 10,000 gallon nasal flush. Going back into these rapids in 3.
There we go.
And 1. Take to those bars, guys. You're doing a great job in those whitewater safety positions. Take them away from me. captain in the back here, guys. Welcome to
Now I
the
see where everyone's
Whirlpool.
going fishing.
Now you guys can see around that corner there. Unfortunately, we can't actually see Niagara Falls, but that's where it is located up there. And that's actually what's causing this water to move this fast and get this high. So over to your right, you guys can see where we just did our Hamilton turn. That is our Niagara Whirlpool. Now that's actually caused by this water moving at a speed of about 30 miles per hour. So once it hits that back corner there, it can't quite make that 90-degree turn without doing a counterclockwise rotation before heading back to our Class 5 rapids. Now that whirlpool over there is so powerful, it can suck down trees the size of telephone poles for days, weeks, and even months at a time. So this water here is extremely powerful, and it's definitely not to be played with. Now, unfortunately, we can't actually go through these rapids here, guys. They are just a little bit too dangerous for our boats. It might be okay to go up those rapids, but coming back down would probably be a different story. Now, there has been a swimmer, a couple kayakers, and believe it or not, a steamboat that have gone through these rapids. And some are okay, but we want to make sure we're staying on the safe side today. Plus, it is actually illegal for anybody to go through here. So, we're doing you up here just to give you a quick look because they are beautiful. But we are going to head back to our Class 5 rapids so we can get you guys absolutely soaked once again.
Yeah.
While we are still down here, guys, you can take a look out to the left and right of the boat. You can notice that the water looks like it's boiling a little bit down here. Now, of course, we know that's not true. We were just going through it. It's actually still a little bit chilly from the winter months. But these water boils here are caused by the fast-moving water going on top of the slow-moving water, sucking the oxygen underneath and then pushing it right back up to the top. Now, these water boils here can cause a little bit of an undertow, but they are nowhere near as powerful as our Niagara Whirlpool is over there. Definitely be the place to go up there.
Yeah, we didn't make it down.
No. Well, I thought that was closed, it said, because of the water.
Alright guys, staying in those white water safety positions. Keep holding on tight to those bars, staying seated and looking forward. We are going to be headed back into these rapids here. We're going to call this run Burger King, because it'll be one whopper of a run. I know, bad joke guys. Alright, going into our rapids here. In 3, 2, and 1.
Oi! In the face.
Keep holding on tight to those bars, guys. You are doing a great job. Make sure you're looking forward in those white water safety positions.
Here it comes.
We're going to head up to the top of these rapids, fly back out of them, and get ready for one final full run through Devil's Roll.
Yeah.
3, 2, and 1. Woo! Keep holding on tight to those bars, guys. You are doing awesome. Woo! Keep looking forward, guys. You are doing amazing. We're not quite here in these rapids yet.